Chief Minister Khemchand will undertake a multi-leg visit to Jiribam district and adjoining areas of Assam from April 4 to April 6, combining administrative engagements, political outreach and a renewed push for peace building in violence-affected regions. According to the official itinerary, the Chief Minister will travel by road from Imphal and is expected to reach Jiribam around noon on April 4th. He is scheduled to visit key installations including a police outpost and the district hospital and attend a joint community meeting at New Alipur Naga village. As part of confidence-building measures, the Chief Minister is expected to meet internally displaced persons residing in relief camps on both sides and participate in community feast involving members of the Meitei and Kuki Zomar communities. On April 5th, Chief Minister Khemchand will lay the foundation stone for an interstate truck terminus and other projects at Churachandpur and Jiribam. The program also includes campaign meetings in neighboring Assam with events scheduled in Silchar and Hailakandi districts. The Chief Minister will be accompanied by several MLAs and senior political functionaries and is scheduled to join the campaign meetings for BJP candidate who is contesting the Assam Assembly elections.